Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use Amazon Music with Prime membership. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, so let's say you have taken a membership subscription on Prime and you would like to use the same for your Amazon Music as well. All you have to do is tap on this Amazon Music app of yours, and right now you can see we have already logged in. For that you're gonna go to tap on this settings icon on top and go to settings option, and here in this section you can simply choose to sign out, right? Tap on sign out. Once you have signed out of your account, it will again ask you to simply enter the login information of yours. Here in this section, all you're going to do is enter your email or phone number that is connected with your Amazon Prime account, and tap on continue, and simply enter the password of yours and simply sign in. And that is how you can simply use your Amazon Prime membership for the Amazon Music itself as well, because it will simply ask you the login details of your Amazon. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.